Welcome to part 3 of deploying Kubernetes-based distributed systems. In this part, resources will be created to deploy a key-value storage system. 3 clusters are needed. In the cloud deployment, those will be in 3 different regions. The resources can be in any cloud provider or the local host. Remote clusters need to be provisioned, and then a local context is pointed to them. The localhost context copy template creates a default context alias in local deployments. Aliases of a localhost context will share the CPU, memory, and network ports. There is also the need to create a container registry. The registry will hold images of the components later deployed to the clusters. The resources YAML file defines names for resources, templates, and parameters. The PowerShell scripts set environment variables and then execute the templates. Resource templates should be under the resources folder for the project or the global folder. Before execution, templates are copied to a hidden .Yuruna folder. A random ID is created to differentiate among multiple script executions. That reduces resource naming collision with other users also running the scripts. Terraform uses the command line interface toolkit of cloud providers to provision resources. Authenticate and check for needed authorization, depending on the cloud provider. As the scripts are executed, progress is shown. Resource provisioning output populates a file with data for the next steps. You can use different tools to access and inspect the clusters and nodes. Cloud resources may be charged even when not in use. Delete them when not needed. In the following video, the components used in the example will be built. This concludes part 3 of 6 of deploying Kubernetes-based distributed systems, circa 2022.